we talk about digital transformation, already signaling that something very big is happening. But actually for me, digitalization is just a tool. In the end, it's always about serving customers, users, society better. And with digital tools, we have new opportunities in doing this. But at the same time, this is not just a technology perspective, but we really have to change the business models of companies, the relationships they have to customers. And so digital transformation or digitalization is a tool for something larger. What I really love about Aachen is that the university is really like a big open platform. So we have this campus where we have 450 companies that are in residence. Siemens is one of our partners there. And the students are continuously involved in these partnerships. Everyone, including Siemens, in the moment wants to be the orchestrator of an ecosystem. But I think this is really a big change we now have to prepare students for, that in most parts you contribute to a larger ecosystem. It can be a business ecosystem, but it's also our society, our planet. And we really have to think in very new understandings of partnerships, of interfaces, of modularization, how we connect what we do in what we still call a company, how this very fluidly and agile connects to this larger ecosystem. And I see a lot of great engineering challenges coming up in designing software and designing technologies on these interfaces between all these different players. We can also engineer ecosystems as we learn to engineer very complex products. A company as Siemens is very good in engineering systems, not just the train, but the entire maintenance and service operations with it. And it's the same thing, we can engineer ecosystems with regard to the interfaces, the governance, meaning the rules of the games, that bring these partners together. And often we believe that ecosystems just happen. But actually the ecosystem around Aachen University was really purposefully designed, not a little bit with a master plan, with a lot of trial and error, but it's not happening by chance. We create these spaces for interaction. We create software tools where people meet. And all these has to be engineered. And if you ask me about the future of Siemens, perhaps the future of Siemens is to develop the next big software suite that can help, different actors to design their innovation ecosystem.